Number 10, Lot S114 is a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RSSS Pace Car Edition convertible with a 396 350 horsepower V8 engine, automatic transmission, factory air conditioning, and it sold for $66,000 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website some of the highlights. Odometer reads 64,609 miles. And it's a 396 L34 350 horsepower V8 engine, automatic transmission, turbo 400. Color exterior is Dover white. Color interior is orange houndstooth. And it's a RSSS Pace Car Edition convertible. And it's a factory Z11 package, factory 396 350 horsepower big block V8 engine, turbo 400 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, very rare factory air conditioning, bucket seats and center console with gauges, front and rear spoilers, houndstooth interior, special ducted hood, rally wheels, and it's one of the very rare big block models. Most of them came with the small block 350 engine with 300 horsepower, and this is the 396 big block with 350 horsepower, RPO L34. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.